Val d'Orcia, the most photographed landscape in Italy, and at its heart, a beautiful art residence that existed long before anyone thought about photographing it. If Ridley Scott chose this valley to shoot one of the most iconic scenes in cinema history, then it must be no coincidence. Welcome to Val d'Orcia. Today we visit Dimora Buonriposo. Founded in 1567 as a Franciscan convent, this residence has lived through almost 5 centuries of silent history. Convent, farmhouse, art residence, until a great Italian architect chose to restore it to its most authentic form, in a renovation that became a work of art in itself. 600 square meters, arranged over 2 floors, designed to welcome up to 16 guests, with the comfort of an exclusive private residence. Now, let me take you through every corner.
Here, the heart of the home, a bespoke masonry kitchen complete with pantry, for those who still believe that food is an act of care.
The dining room opens through a large centered brick arch, an element that you do not design, but inherit. 2 adjoining living rooms create a continuity of the space that can be felt even before it's measured. Over 100 works of art, including paintings, sculptures, and antique objects. Every element tells a chapter of this story 5 centuries long. On the same floor, 4 bedrooms with private bathrooms create a sleeping area of absolute privacy. The upper floor can be reached by 3 separate routes: an internal staircase, a loggia overlooking the landscape, and a terrace opening onto the sky. 3 different ways to rise, 3 different experiences of the same space. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and an elegant vestiaire create a sleeping area of privacy and refinement. Imagine it's Sunday morning, Val d'Orcia opening beyond the window with your favorite book. Some spaces, such as this, cannot be designed. They're born from art. Outside, the romantic courtyard, with fireplace and ancient bread oven, becomes the natural setting for long lunches, the kind that are not measured in hours. The infinity pool blends into the landscape. The water reflects the same valley the Franciscans contemplated in 1567. All around, a 15,000 square meter park composes a miniature landscape. Olive trees, lavender, oak trees, a 16,000 square meter English lawn, alongside 12 hectares of agricultural land stretching toward the horizon. Ferdinand Braudel described Tuscany as the most moving countryside there is. Val d'Orcia is its heart, and this residence is its soul. This is your chance to see it in person. Contact us for a private tour. Comment Buonriposo for more information.